create lookalike audiences from your customer exports. So let's get right into it. Now, you obviously need some purchases before you can start creating lookalike audiences using your customer export. I suggest having more than 150 orders before you even consider creating this. But let's just jump right into it. So what you want to go ahead and do is hop on your Shopify store, go to the customers tab, and once you go to the customers tab, what you want to go ahead and do is actually press more filters. And once you've pressed this, you want to go ahead and go to number of orders, more than this number, and type in 0 and press enter. Once you've done this, we're just going to exit that. There you go. You can see it's showing that we have 6,292 people who've ordered more than 0 times, which means they placed an order in our store. So what you want to go ahead and do from here is just press show all 50 whatever, press select all 50 plus customers in this filter, and press the export button up here. Now what you want to go ahead and do is press 50 plus customers matching your search and press export customers. Now what's happening here is it's emailing me this customers list. So what I'm just gonna go ahead and do is hop on my mail, and I have it on my other monitor here. But anyway, what you want to go ahead and do from here is just go to the ads manager and press this business tools button right over here, and from here you want to press audiences. Now most of the things is probably going to be blurred on the screen as I'm actively running ads on this ad account. And I obviously have to blur the names of the customers because, you know, that's privacy. Anyway, so I have not received the email yet, but I'll let you know once I receive it. Yeah, okay, so I just received it. So I'm just going to download the list here. My bad, it might open in a yeah, so it opened there. Anyway, so let's just go to audiences and press create audience. From here you want to press custom audience, and once you press custom audience you can see customer list. So just press this button and press next. From here it's going to ask you, does your list include a column for customer value? And you just want to press yes here and press next. So requirements for using value-based custom audiences, you can just press I accept, doesn't really matter. And once you press I accept, it's going to ask you to upload a file. You can download the template list, but if you're using Shopify, the template is already set up in the correct way for Facebook to analyze the data. So let me just quit that. Let me just import the customer list here. Okay, let's see. So the customer list is right over here. I'm just going to download it. As you can see, I already have 18 different customers list here. But what you can name this audience is, check the date. So it's Friday 4th, December 4th right now. So what I would type is 4/12/2020 customer export, and I'll do 1+. So basically 1+ orders, because you can create different ones, you know, customers who've spent more than a specific amount and stuff like that. So just so you know. And now let's just go ahead and press the next button from here and select value column, and we're going to do total spend. That's the value, customer value, and just press next. From here it's going to, I kind of have to blur this, right? So I have to blur the emails, names, total spent, etc. But now what you can go ahead and do is go to action needed, and from here you can select. So this one is the first name, this one is the last name. Is kind of self-explanatory what you want to go ahead and do from here. Address, I'm not sure whether you can add the address. Okay, so there's no tab for the address, so you can just leave that, but you can add city. So let's just add city, and then you've got province. You can add that. Province code, you can leave that. Country code, that there should be an option for that, I'm pretty certain. Okay, no, so it already has the country, so that's fine. So country code doesn't really matter that much. Total orders, there's no option for that. Tax, there's no option for that. And then you can just go ahead and press upload and create. Now it's uploading the customer export file, and Once this has been done, we can go ahead and create lookalike audiences from it. So we can press create lookalike. And once you press create lookalike, it will be selected here. So usually what I do is I press the number 5, and then we can go ahead and type in, let's see here, you can select the country, right? So let's say United States. I always start off with United States, and then I create United Kingdom. These are the two main countries I target. And then what I do is I press the 5, right? 5 size, and then I do 2%, 2 to 4%, 4 to 6%, 6 to 8%, and then 8 to 10%, and then I create audience. Now after that, I just go ahead and create lookalike audiences from there, and that's basically how you import customer data and upload it to your ads manager. I really hope you found this video informative, and I know there's not a lot of tutorials on YouTube on how to do this, and I just felt like I had to show you guys because I was struggling with this too when I heard about customer export data and I didn't know how to do it. So I decided I'm just gonna post this video and help you guys out. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the sub button, comment down below what you want to go ahead and see next, and make sure you smash the like button as well. All right, see you guys in the next video.